Hey everyone, today we're going to do something really cool. We're going to install the OnePlus Recorder app on a non-rooted device. That's right, no root access needed. This app is known for its high-quality audio recording, easy-to-use interface, and handy editing features. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is download the OnePlus Recorder app. You can find the download link in the video description below. Click on the link and it will take you to the download page. Once downloaded, locate the APK file on your device. Before installing, make sure you've enabled Install from Unknown Sources on your phone. This setting allows you to install apps from outside the Google Play Store. Now, locate the downloaded APK file and tap on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. There's a crucial step to make this app work correctly. Once installed, open the OnePlus Recorder app and go to Settings. Look for the audio format option and change it from MP3 to AAC. This is essential for the app to function properly and prevent audio app crashes. That's it, you've successfully installed the OnePlus Recorder app. Let's explore some of its features. You can start a new recording, pause, resume, and even trim your recordings. The app also offers various audio quality options to suit your needs. And there you have it. You now have the OnePlus Recorder app on your non-rooted device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.